September the 25th through 28th, 2025, Theater Exceptional featured the play HONK at the Central Park Performing Arts Center in Largo, Florida. HONK is the story of a little duckling who grows into who he was meant to be. As he makes his journey through his community where everyone belongs and every voice matters, he overcomes challenges, shines within his community, is lifted up and celebrated at the end for being who he is. Playing roles in the 2+ hour-long play were 10 of our St. Paul Handicapable Ministry students. Handi students featured in Ensemble A were Dawn Thompson, Yvonne Elliott, Tanya Elliott, Tim Adams, Scott Adams, and Betty Simpson, who also played the role of an old woman. Handi students featured in Ensemble B were Janet Esley. Other Handi students with starring roles were Sarah Sparks, who played the role of Buttercup, Devante, who was Bullfrog, Andrea Spencerio played 3 roles: Pinkfoot, Lowbutt, and she was also a part of Ensemble B. At the end of the play, the crowd rose to their feet and roared their approval. Everyone came away feeling on top of the world. Mission accomplished.